Looking for the best drone for photography in 2026? Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, cinematic travel videos, real estate, or professional aerial photos, the right drone can take your creativity to new heights. In this video, we've rounded up the best photography drones you can buy right now, offering incredible image quality, advanced flight features, and outstanding value. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. DJI Mavic for Pro. The DJI Mavic for Pro is a cutting-edge drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek grey design and advanced imaging capabilities. It boasts a remarkable 100MP Hasselblad camera that captures stunning 6K video at 60 frames per second, providing vivid detail for professional-grade footage. The drone is equipped with dual telephoto cameras, allowing for crisp and detailed zooms, making it ideal for aerial photography. With a 360 degrees infinity gimbal, users can achieve dynamic camera movements for cinematic shots. Safety is prioritized with its 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which detects obstacles in low-light conditions, perfect for night shoots. The Mavic for Pro offers an impressive flight time of up to 51 minutes, enabling the capture of long scenes without interruption. Additionally, its long-range video transmission capabilities extend up to 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles, with 10-bit HDR video, ensuring smooth feeds for professionals on the move. The drone also includes a 7-inch rotatable high-bright remote controller, RC Pro 2, which collapses for easy transport and provides pro-level control wherever you go. Included components feature multiple batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, and a storage cover, making it a comprehensive package for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. DJI F7 Mini 4K Video 8K Photo Drones. The DJI F7 Mini 4K 3B is an ultra-portable drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek dark gray body with orange accents and weighing just 249 grams, eliminating the need for FAA registration. It captures stunning 8K UHD photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second with its 48MP CMOS sensor, making it ideal for high-definition aerial photography during family trips or inspections. The drone boasts a 3-axis stabilized gimbal that ensures steady footage, even in windy conditions, thanks to its upgraded brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 31 miles per hour. With a total flight time of 96 minutes from 3 high-density batteries and a zero-latency transmission range of up to 20,000 feet, 6 kilometers, users can enjoy uninterrupted flying experiences. The DJI F7 Mini also features smart safety measures such as Smart RTH, a dynamic home point, and a locator buzzer to help locate the drone if lost. Its intelligent GPS system provides various shooting modes for both beginners and experienced users, ensuring professional-grade footage is easily attainable. The complete package includes the drone, controller, 3 batteries, a premium case, and accessories, along with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 support, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to explore aerial photography. Number 3. DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone RC2 Fly. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a lightweight drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, featuring an array of intelligent flight assistance tools that ensure stable control and smooth operation. Its compact design enhances portability, making it easy to handle while supporting creative growth. The drone comes with an RC2 controller that boasts an integrated display, eliminating the need for a smartphone connection, which speeds up setup and improves reliability in outdoor settings. The Fly More Combo Plus package extends flight time significantly, allowing for up to 52 minutes of flying with additional intelligent batteries and essential accessories. Moreover, built-in intelligent stabilization and assisted flight features provide a safer flying experience by maintaining smooth hovering and controlled movement, reducing common flight challenges and pilot stress. This makes the Mini 5 Pro an ideal choice for those looking to explore aerial photography and capture stunning perspectives with confidence. Number 4. Skyrover X1 Drone. The Skyrover X1 is a cutting-edge drone designed for adults, featuring a remarkable 32-minute flight time per battery and the ability to capture stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video and 48MP photos through its advanced 1 January 32-inch CMOS sensor with an f1.7 aperture. This drone is equipped with a 5.5-inch HD touchscreen remote that boasts 700 nit brightness, ensuring clarity even in direct sunlight, allowing users to fly and capture images without the need for a smartphone. Weighing under 249 grams, the X1 is travel-ready, making it easy to pack for vacations, hikes, and road trips. With 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and smart return to home features, it offers safer flying experiences in challenging conditions. The drone also supports a stable 9.32-mile long-range transmission with 1080p, 60 fps live view, perfect for framing shots in various environments. Additionally, it includes smart creative modes like AI auto track and vertical shooting, enabling users to effortlessly capture dynamic content suitable for social media sharing. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and shake-free footage, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Number 5. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight and advanced drone designed for adults, weighing under 249 grams, which means it does not require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. It features impressive specifications including 4K Ultra HD video capture, a 3-axis gimbal for cinematic quality shooting, and a maximum HD video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. The drone is capable of stable flight in level 5 winds, thanks to its brushless motors, and can take off at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. It comes with intelligent flight batteries available in various sets, offering up to 93 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. The DJI Mini 4K is beginner-friendly, with features like one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering, making it easy for novices to operate. Additionally, users can enhance their experience by downloading the latest version of the DJI Fly app from the official website. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect photography drone for your next adventure. If you're interested in any of the drones featured in this video, all the product links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews, photography gear, and buying guides. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.